Ethereum function, uses, and history. Ethereum is often referred to as the second most popular cryptocurrency, after Bitcoin. But unlike Bitcoin and most other virtual currencies, Ethereum is intended to be much more than simply a medium of exchange or a store of value. Instead, Ethereum calls itself a decentralized computing network built on blockchain technology. Let's unpack what that means. Welcome back to another episode of Money Reviewer. Subscribe to the channel now if you enjoy this type of content, and hit the notification bell to never miss any of our latest videos that we upload. In this episode, we will be going over Ethereum's function, uses, and history. Let's dive in. History. Ethereum was conceived in 2013 by programmer Vitalik Buterin. Additional founders of Ethereum included Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, Anthony DeLorio, and Joseph Lubin. In 2014, crowd-funded development work began. The network went live on 30 July 2015. Function. Like all cryptocurrencies, Ethereum works on the basis of a blockchain network. A blockchain is a decentralized, distributed public ledger where all transactions are verified and recorded. It's distributed in the sense that everyone participating in the Ethereum network holds an identical copy of this ledger, letting them see all past transactions. It's decentralized in that the network isn't operated or managed by any centralized entity. Instead, it's managed by all of the distributed ledger holders. Blockchain transactions use cryptography to keep the network secure and verify transactions. People use computers to mine or solve complex mathematical equations that confirm each transaction on the network and add new blocks to the blockchain that is at the heart of the system. Participants are rewarded with cryptocurrency tokens. For the Ethereum system, these tokens are called Ether. Ether can be used to buy and sell goods and services, like Bitcoin. It's also seen rapid gains in price over recent years, making it a de facto speculative investment. But what's unique about Ethereum is that users can build applications that run on the blockchain, like software runs on a computer. These applications can store and transfer personal data or handle complex financial transactions. Ethereum is different from Bitcoin in that the network can perform computations as part of the mining process. This basic computational capability turns a store of value and medium of exchange into a decentralized global computing engine and openly verifiable data store. Uses. 1. Gnosis predicts future events with Ethereum. Gnosis is one of the many innovative companies using Ethereum in interesting ways. Gnosis provides a platform for prediction markets. The Gnosis Olympia product is the alpha version of their platform. Using Olympia, participants get an initial balance of OLI tokens, pretend money they can use in Olympia, which they use to make predictions on a variety of topics. Participants can win GNO tokens for making successful predictions. Participants who set up predictions associate the prediction with an oracle for outcome validation. For example, the true value of a specific stock price at a specific date and time is easily validated by comparing the prediction with published stock prices. The stock price data source would be the oracle that the stock price prediction uses for validation. Gnosis Olympia provides the platform for participants to determine the probability of a given outcome. You can use Olympia to determine an expected value of some item of value. Knowing an item's value gives you more leverage in negotiations. Another possible use is elections. Distributed prediction markets could emerge to provide better forecasts of upcoming elections. Political polling is often criticized for imprecision, and emerging products could make it more accurate. 2. Augur crowdsources event predictions. Augur is another offering in the prediction market category. As they do using Gnosis, participants can record events and then provide a prediction on the outcome of the event. Augur rewards participants with rep tokens in exchange for providing accurate data related to the event and for voting with the majority. Augur is based on crowdsourced data and gets more accurate with the inclusion of participant data. That's why submitting accurate data earns rewards. An oracle validates event data and outcome, but the emphasis is still on crowdsourced input. Augur is completely decentralized and depends on smart contracts and the Ethereum blockchain to operate. Its goal is to provide a global portal that generates better forecasts about the outcome of any future event that enjoys widespread global interest. 3. Aragon manages decentralized organizations with Ethereum. 𝐥𝐤𝐤 is a platform dedicated to helping manage decentralized organizations, which often suffer from a lack of infrastructure and functionality. 𝐥𝐤𝐤 participants buy 𝐥𝐤𝐤 network tokens from one of several popular cryptocurrency exchanges and use AND to pay for 𝐥𝐤𝐤 services. 𝐥𝐤𝐤 facilitates distributed autonomous organization governance, fundraising, and accounting. For example, 𝐥𝐤𝐤 participants can pose questions to their organization for voting. The 𝐥𝐤𝐤 environment handles all of the details of managing the voting process, resulting in verified election outcomes. Voting is just one of the features of the platform. The 𝐥𝐤𝐤 project has as its goals to empower decentralized organization participants by promoting participation and providing financial transparency. 𝐥𝐤𝐤 enables organizations to exist outside the traditional hierarchical, centralized model. 4. Breed and collect CryptoKitties in Ethereum. Ethereum isn't just about cryptocurrency and business function. You can find some fun games in the Ethereum space too. CryptoKitties, one of the first Ethereum-based games, is still popular. This revolutionary game introduced blockchain-based crypto collectibles. That's right, CryptoKitties are collectible. Each CryptoKitty is unique. Technically, each CryptoKitty is an ERC-721 token and has a unique set of cattributes, CryptoKitty DNA, that come from each CryptoKitty's parents. You don't create CryptoKitties, you breed them. And just as in real life, well, kind of, you can either trust genetic luck to create a rare and valuable CryptoKitty, or you can pay a siring fee to another CryptoKitty for the capability to breed using their CryptoKitties. Each CryptoKitty has a different value based on the rarity of its cattributes. In the past, some CryptoKitties with rare cattributes and a favorable Ether exchange rate sold for more than $100,000. 5. Exchange tokens with 𝐸DEX. Thousands of ERC-20 tokens are in use. Before you can use a token to pay for something, you have to acquire it. Some tokens are free, but others must be purchased. To buy a token, you must exchange currency or cryptocurrency, so you need an organization that provides exchange services. 𝐸DEX is a decentralized exchange that specializes in trading between Ether and ERC-20 tokens. It confirms transactions in its smart contract without waiting for Ethereum block mining. 𝐸DEX's capability to confirm transactions in real time allows traders to trade continuously. Orders are recorded on the Ethereum blockchain in the order in which they were received, but traders don't have to wait for their tokens. They receive them as soon as their order is approved by the smart contract. 6. Use Ethereum to create your digital identity with uPort. The uPort dApp is an innovative initiative with a simple purpose: to provide a decentralized identity for everyone, stored on the Ethereum blockchain. A user registers their identity through uPort. Once authenticated, users can use the uPort digital identity to sign digital contracts and interact with other services that require validated identities. The uPort dApp has scores of potential uses. One of the most visible needs uPort could help address is in providing people who have lost physical identification items to still provide proof of identity when required. Survivors of catastrophic events often have no identification. Accessing an immutable digital identification could help. Digital identities could help with immigration, voting, and other cases where identification is required. 7. Share your thoughts on the blockchain with EtherTweet. As its name suggests, EtherTweet is a blockchain alternative to Twitter. The main difference is that EtherTweet is censorship-free because all messages are stored on the Ethereum blockchain. You can post up to 160 characters. Although prices change based on the current value of Ether, creating an EtherTweet account costs about 2 cents, and each tweet costs about 1/3 of a cent. 8. Use Ethereum to search for jobs with ethylance. ethylance is a distributed platform for freelancers and employers to find each other, engage in jobs, and transfer payment in Ether. ethylance is part of the District 0x network, which is a collective of decentralized marketplaces and communities. One of ethylance's outstanding features is that it does not collect any fees. Membership in ethylance is free, and both freelancers and employers can use the network to match personnel with open jobs. Once work is complete, employers can pay freelancers directly using Ether. The entire ethylance platform runs in Ethereum. The transparent nature of ethylance and its zero fees model make it a great resource for self-employed individuals. 9. Using 10x to pay with Ether and other cryptocurrencies. 10x allows customers to use Ether and other cryptocurrencies at retailers to pay for purchases around the world. Although most retailers don't directly support cryptocurrencies yet, 10x created their own line of crypto debit cards and credit cards that link up with its proprietary crypto wallet. The 10x cards provide the bridge between cryptocurrencies and traditional payment vehicles. 10x records all payment transactions on the blockchain and has plans for a larger network that will allow apps to communicate across multiple blockchains. 10. Use Ethereum to buy and sell computing power with Golem. The last innovative Ethereum project is Golem. Golem is a decentralized marketplace for buying and selling computing power. Whether you have excess computing power you'd like to sell, or you need to temporarily rent more computing power to complete a project, Golem can help. You can use Golem supercomputers after paying a native GNT token, or you can earn GNT by letting others use your excess computing power. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about Ethereum's function, uses, and history. Do you own Ethereum? Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos just like this. And turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest uploads. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.